Last time on Mad Cat Sailing.
Oh, fantastic. Not sailing this weekend. What are you playing at? Are you coming? Are you coming? Come on guys, let's go. Well, it's been a bit of a late start today, and I've ended up in Dunwich Bay for the night, and it's quite rolly, so it's going to be an horrible night's sleep this. I was hoping to get in the River Blythe, but I didn't do my homework, and apparently the harbour master wants to be notified 24 hours before you enter, so it can tell you how to navigate up the river. But that's on my head. Never mind, and I were hoping for the weather to be a little bit better on the sea. It's going to be a reasonable night, fingers crossed, but a bit of a rolly one. So, and I've got a feeling I'll be keeping an eye on the chart plotter all night, see if I'm ending up on that. There's a beach there. So it's got to be a fun night, folks. Definitely. See you in the morning. Time for lunch. Good morning, Madventurers. Well, it's the second day of my trip, and it's been an absolute horrible night. I've been sat with waves crashing at my side all night, and the boat's just literally like that, side to side all night. I've not slept. I've got something in my eye. Oh, I feel sorry for me. The plan was to head to Scarborough, but the way I feel at the minute, and the weather being as naff as it has been, is to say forget it and we'll go back. I've just tried having breakfast to see if it'll bring me round a bit, and a bit of cereal and a bit of brew, so I'm at the minute not feeling up to it at all. It's just really naff, and apparently today's not going to be a brilliant day again. I've got 70 mile approximately to hit the next anchorage. I'm currently anchored in Dunwich Bay, which is Southwold. I didn't do my homework, this was something else. Apparently the River Blythe, you need to give the harbour master 24 hours notice to anchor up there overnight, which I didn't do because I didn't see that bit when I looked at it. I just saw VHF 12, fine, telephone number, fine, got all the details I need, fine. And when I looked it up as I got outside the harbour, it said contacting 24 hours before, and no answer on radio, no answer on phones, so that was a big boo-boo there. So that's why I ended up sat here all night rocking and rolling. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but I am literally side to side. So it's not good. It is. I've got seasickness. It's got to be the worst bout of seasickness I've had up to now. So it just fatigues you. You just horrible seasickness. You just don't want to do anything even though you have to do so. Because whatever I've got to do now, I've got to prep the boat, take it off the anchor and head north or head south, whichever way it'll be in the next 20 minutes. So we'll see. I keep looking at the horizon, not the camera all the time. I'm trying to make myself feel a little bit better. But we'll see, guys. Catch you in a bit, see what happens. North or south, who knows. Time for the next part of the journey. I'm aiming to be at Blakeney Point by tonight, fingers crossed, from Southwold. If not, there's an anchorage just on the northern side there, and I'll just have to anchor up in whatever sea state it is and just put up with it until the morning, and then aim to get to Blakeney then and probably just rest up for a few hours. And then the next leg of that tour is up past Skeggy and all the way past Grimsby. Probably anchor up about Grimsby again, just give us a break again there. And then all the way to Scarborough. Just gotta say, lifting anchor isn't always a glamorous job. Especially in mud. Absolutely caked on the stuff. It's a good facial. As I said, change of plan. Look at this. Just horrible. Guys, what did you reckon to that? Through the waves, check it out, me and you, Davey, cruising through waves. What do you mean the waves could have been a bit bigger? You always get a show off, don't you? Seven Seas been around for centuries, there's some bigger waves than that. I don't know, Davey. It were big for me, it were big for me. I enjoyed it, that's the main thing. I hope you guys at home enjoyed it. Because this, guys, is the finale. Yeah, finale. And me and Davey Bones are heading back to his place in about 5 more seconds, and we're going to have a good old knees up and celebrate the 2 years we've enjoyed together. But before we go, we'd like to say a massive thank you to you guys at home for supporting us over the last couple of years. It's been an absolute blast for us, and I hope it's been a blast for you. We've really enjoyed it. And a massive thank you to my family for supporting me over the years and listening to all my sale talk. Sorry. It's just one of them, you get a passion, you get a passion. So, thank you guys again, and me and Davey Bones are now going to head off. But you may or may not see us. Hopefully we see you on the ocean waves, because we're not giving up the boat. So, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you all again soon. Or maybe not. Whoa, 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 Davey Bones, slow down, I forgot something.
I only went and forgot the rum, didn't I? Don't be on Davey Bones' locker list. Catch you soon, guys. War.
Davey, get off the rum bottle. What do you mean it's mine?